Kaizen is a Japanese term meaning change for better or continuous improvement. It has its roots deeply embedded in post-World War II Japan. In fact, Kaizen has always been a part of Japanese folklore, however it was implemented in Japanese business setups after the war, when Japan was attempting to rebuild its shattered economy. At that time, Japan embraced Kaizen principles, since it brought about significant improvements in efficiency and quality in manufacturing. Kaizen principles resonated with the Japanese manufacturers, who saw the potential to not only rebuild their businesses, but also innovate and excel in their industrial outputs.
One of the most significant adaptations of Kaizen occurred within the Toyota company, where it was referred to as Toyota Production System (TPS). TPS was developed by Taichi Ono and his colleagues during the 1950s and 1960s.
The TPS system integrated the essence of Kaizen, which is continuous, incremental improvement, to eliminate waste and inefficiency, thereby improving both quality and productivity. The TPS approach highlighted how systematic, small changes done over time could accumulate to create substantial improvements across an organization. This methodology not only transformed Toyota into a global automotive leader, but also became a model for production management and operational excellence worldwide.
By the 1980s, as the quality and efficiency of Japanese products, particularly automobiles and electronics, became evident, Western companies began to adopt Japanese methods to compete effectively. This helped spread Kaizen principles globally, influencing not just industries but also transforming corporate cultures with its focus on efficiency, teamwork, and relentless pursuit of quality.
Moreover, although Kaizen was first introduced in the manufacturing sector, now Kaizen is being applied in organizations from the service sector, educational institutions, and government offices too. Take your organization from being good to great. Apply Kaizen to improve productivity, operational excellence, profitability, and resilience.
Visit drshruti.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.